Have you ever wondered who repairs our torn shoes and make them new again? This is a cobbler. A cobbler repairs shoes and sandals. A cobbler stitches and polishes shoes to make them shiny and clean. A cobbler uses tools like an awl, thread, brush, an anvil, shoe last, polish, wax, cutter, and hammer while repairing the shoes. A cobbler helps people by repairing damaged shoes so that we can walk comfortably. Look at the magic. The old torn shoe becomes neat and shiny again. We should respect and thank cobblers for their hard work. Quiz time! Let's see if you can answer this correctly. What does a cobbler do? Does a cobbler make furniture, repair shoes, cook tasty food, or drive vehicles? Think carefully. The correct answer is he repairs and mends shoes. Amazing job if you have got it right. Comment your answer below.